Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I'll be showing you how you can make a quiz on Facebook. So the first thing that you want to do is open your Safari or any browser that you're currently using, and then just type in qz.app.do. Alright, so then it will lead you to this page. Just tap on Get Started Free. And then here it's going to ask you what kind of quiz you're making. You can either make a knowledge quiz or a personality quiz. So for this tutorial, I'm just going to choose knowledge quiz and tap Get Started. So now you can edit the quiz title, for example, science, the language, and here you can also edit the intro. But they have a suggested intro here, so I'm just going to let that be. And then you can also edit the thank you note, the closed note, and the footer. So once you're done, tap Next, Add Question. And here you can type in the question that you have. For example, how many feet do dogs have? Something basic. And then you can even choose if you want it to be multiple choice, check boxes, or text box. But for now, we're just going to choose multiple choice. And then just input your answers. And then you have to input the right answer, of course. And you can just input as many questions as you like. And once you're done, just tap Next, Preview. Alright, so this is how your quiz will look like when people open your Facebook quiz. But first, you can edit the color, the text of the submit button, the color of the quiz title. And once you're done, then just look at the preview. Once you are settled with that, then go ahead and tap Next, Share. Now here you want to tap on Continue with Facebook, and the quiz is going to link to your Facebook account. You just have to log in here. And then tap on Continue as your profile. Tap on Link to a Facebook page. And then here, just continue as your profile. And here you can choose the Facebook page that you want to put your quiz into. And then tap Link the quiz to your page. Once that is done, just scroll down to the end and copy the link that is provided right here. Go back to your Facebook profile and choose your page and just post it on what's on your mind. And basically just tap on post when it's done. So people will be able to see this, and if they click on this link, then they will be directed to the site where the quiz is. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this helped, and we will see you in the next video.